reception, children. Mrs. Goulding here. Are you ready for another story? Can you guess what number story it is? Yes, it's story number 3. Let me get my story. Woof, 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 woof. Oh no. What's the matter, Pointer? Pointer says, that's not a story. It's not a story. No, he said it's not a story. But what is it then? I don't understand. I need somebody wise to help me, to explain why that is not a storybook. Who can help me? Who can help me? Oh, I wish the children were here to help me. What's that sound? To-wit-to-woo, to-wit-to-woo. Oh, who's coming to help Mrs. Goulding? Somebody very wise. To-wit-to-woo, to-wit-to-woo. Can you guess who it could be? Can you guess who it could be? Could you guess who it could be? I wonder who it could be to help Mrs. Goulding. They're very wise. Oh yes, you guessed. It's Ozzy Owl. Ozzy Owl is coming to help Mrs. Goulding with her tricky question. Now Ozzy, Pointer says this is not a storybook, but I don't understand why. Ozzy said, you've got to look at both the books, Mrs. Goulding, and work out which one is a storybook and which one is different. Very tricky. So let's have a look. This book has drawings on the front cover. But this book has photographs. Now that is different. What will I find on the back of my storybook? Can the children tell me? Ozzy, can you tell me? Yes, it's called a blurb. So this book has got a blurb. Has this book got a blurb? Let's see if we can find it. Well, this book has got a blurb, so does it make that a storybook, Ozzy? No, he said, look inside the front of the book. Okay, Ozzy, just a minute. So this book, if I open it, has got the words to the story. I wonder what will happen when I open this book. That's very different. It says contents. I don't understand. What does it mean? I need Ozzy's help. Oh, Ozzy said contents tells you what the book is about, what is in the book. So let's have a look. We've got cycles, cars, buses, trucks. Oh, that's very strange. So we've got real photographs. We've got a blurb. We've got a contents page. Ozzy, is there anything else that's different? Oh, look at the back of the book. So let's have a look. Oh, look at that. It says index. What wonder if there's an index in our storybook. I'll look at the back. No. So this book has photographs, a blurb, contents, and an index. So that is very different to this storybook, Ozzy. So what do we call this type of book? I wonder if the children could help me. I wish they were here. I don't know. Can you tell me, Ozzy? Oh, it's an information book. It tells you about things you want to learn. Oh, I see. It's about real things. It's not a story. It's an information book. Now I know. Is there something I want to find out? Well, actually, I do. Because, do you remember when I recycled my plastic bag? I put it in a recycling bin. And then I thought, what happens to all the rubbish? Does it just stay in the bin? Who comes to help us? What happens to the rubbish? Ozzy, will the book help me? Will the book help me find out about the dustbin? Look in the index to see if you can find the word dustbin. Oh, that could be tricky for Mrs. Goulding, but we'll have a go. Thank you, Ozzy. So here's the index. I need pointer. Can you help me, pointer? This is very tricky for Mrs. Goulding. Coach. No. Concord. Don't know what that is. No. Cruise ship. No. Double-decker bus. No. Dustbin lorry. Dustbin. Oh, I found it. Dustbin lorry. And it says 8. Are there 8 dustbin lorries? I don't understand, Ozzy. Oh, I see. It says look at page number 8. Now I know. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trucks. Well, I know what a truck is. Trucks can carry things from one place to another. Oh, so here we have a transporter, and a transporter is a truck. What is it carrying from one place to another? Can you tell me? Yes, Ozzy said, the transporter is carrying cars from one place to another. There we are, look, there. It says, this dustbin lorry collects the rubbish from people's homes. So here is a dustbin lorry, and when the plastic bin is full, the dustbin lorry comes along and tips the rubbish into the lorry, and it takes it from one place to another, from your homes to where to, Ozzy? To the dump. Ah, to the dump. Oh, Ozzy, you are so wise to help Mrs. Goulding. Now I know that that is an information book, and information books help people to understand and solve tricky questions. Thank you so much, Ozzy. So, children, it's bye-bye from Mrs. Goulding. It's bye-bye from Pointer, woof woof. And it's bye-bye from Ozzy, to woo to woo.